Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. One of the best ways to improve your spoken English is by learning conversations that you can use in real life. Imagine you are visiting a coffee shop, ordering your favorite drink, asking questions, and having a friendly conversation with the barista. Wouldn't it be great if you could do all of that confidently in English? In today's lesson, we'll learn a natural English conversation at a coffee shop. You'll hear useful expressions, learn common vocabulary, and practice speaking along with me. As always, don't just listen. Repeat each sentence after me. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. So let's get started. Barista. Good morning. Welcome to Brew Corner. What can I get for you today? Anna. Good morning. I would like a cappuccino, please. Barista. Sure. Would you like a small, medium, or large? Anna. I'll have a medium, please. Barista. Would you like it hot or iced? Anna. Hot, please. Barista. Would you like anything to eat? Anna. Yes. I would like a chocolate muffin as well. Barista. Great choice. Is that everything? Anna. Yes, that's all. Thank you. Now let us see some useful expressions. Let's learn a few expressions from this conversation. I would like. Instead of saying I want, native speakers often say I would like because it sounds more polite. I would like a cup of coffee. I would like a sandwich. Now repeat after me. I would like a cappuccino, please. Excellent. I'll have. Another natural way to order something is by saying I'll have. For example, I'll have a medium coffee. I'll have the cheese sandwich. Now it's your turn to repeat after me. I'll have a medium coffee. Great job. Now the conversation continues like, Barista, your total is $6.50. Anna, can I pay by card? Barista, of course, you can tap your card right here. Anna, perfect. Thank you. Barista, would you like your receipt? Anna, no, thank you. Barista, your order will be ready in about 5 minutes. Anna, no problem. I'll wait over there. Let's move on to the speaking practice part. Now it's your turn. Repeat these sentences after me. I would like a cappuccino, please. I'll have a medium coffee. Can I pay by card? No, thank you. I'll wait over there. Excellent. Try saying these sentences with a smile, just like you're ordering at a real coffee shop. Now the conversation continues like, after a few minutes later, barista says, Anna, your order is ready. Anna, thank you very much. Barista, you're welcome. I hope you enjoy your coffee. Anna, it smells amazing. Thank you for your service. Barista, it's our pleasure. Have a wonderful day. Anna, you too. See you next time. Let's quickly learn some useful words from today's lesson. Barista is a person who prepares and serves coffee. For example, the barista recommended a new drink. Receipt. A paper or digital record showing that you have paid for something. For example, can I have the receipt please? Order. Order is the food or drink that you ask for. For example, my order is ready. Medium. One of the sizes offered for food or drinks. For example, I'll have a medium coffee. Tap your card. Tap your card means to make a contactless payment using a debit or credit card. For example, you can tap your card here. Now, let's practice together. Imagine you're the customer and I'll be the barista. Barista, good afternoon. What can I get for you today? Now answer. Barista, would you like it hot or iced? Now it's your turn to answer. Barista, would you like anything to eat? It's your turn to answer. Barista, your order will be ready in a few minutes. Great! Practicing like this helps you prepare for real-life conversations. Let's remember some useful expressions from today's lesson. I would like a cappuccino, please. I'll have a medium coffee. Would you like anything to eat? Can I pay by card? I'll wait over there. Your order is ready. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. These are expressions you'll hear in coffee shops and cafes around the world. Fantastic work! Today, you learned how to order food and drinks confidently in English while having a natural conversation at a coffee shop. Here's your speaking challenge for today. Imagine you're visiting your favorite cafe. Practice placing your order in English using the expression you learned today. You can even change the drink, the food, or the size to create your own conversation. Remember, fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Every conversation you practice brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day.